Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for checking out my content. I really appreciate it. So I'm super excited once again to be here, to be able to deliver to you some value content to help you to make a lot more money from your Shopify dropshipping business. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my 5 things I did in my Shopify dropshipping store with my Facebook ads to be able to reduce my cost per conversions from about $13 down to approximately $4 per sale. So that's something that I'm sure a lot of you guys are interested in doing if you're making sales in your Shopify dropshipping store, or maybe if you're just starting out advertising. It's a very important video for you to watch just so you can make sure that you get the most out of your Shopify dropshipping business and your Facebook ads. Alright, so I'm not going to waste any more time, but before I actually get started, I do want to welcome you guys once again to my channel. If you're new to my channel and you're not yet subscribed, my name is Kirk Buchanan, and on this channel I teach people how to make money with Shopify dropshipping. So if you want to learn how to make money online with dropshipping and e-commerce and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you get subscribed to my channel right now. You can do that by smashing the red subscribe button just below this video, and once you do that, make sure you hit that notification bell as well, and that way you'll be notified by YouTube when I upload my new content. Alright, so with that out of the way, I'm not going to waste any more time right now. I'm just going to jump straight into what I have prepped for you guys to show you guys exactly the 5 things I did to reduce my cost per conversion from $13 to $4 per sale in my Shopify dropshipping store. Okay guys, so as you can see on screen here, 5 things I did to reduce my cost per conversions from $13 to $4 per sale in my Shopify dropshipping store. So I'm going to be walking you through each of these things that I do in my store with my Facebook ads and Instagram ad campaigns to make sure that I spend the least amount of money possible to make a sale in my Shopify store. Alright, so having really low cost per conversions is the holy grail of Shopify dropshipping marketing with Facebook and Instagram ads. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can get the lowest possible cost per conversions for your Shopify dropshipping business. Alright, so let me not waste any more time and start with number 1, which is to make sure that you do laser targeting. It's very, very important, right? Once you do laser targeting, what that means is that Facebook will have no option but to show your ads to persons who are actually interested in your product and are likely to buy. Once you have these type of persons being shown your ads and are clicking and making purchases from your website, this will automatically reduce your cost per conversions. The opposite is also true. If you're not doing laser targeting and Facebook is showing your ads to a lot of persons who are not interested in your product, then these persons will also be clicking on your ad campaign, but they will not be making any purchases in your website, and that is going to increase your cost per conversion. So it's very, very important for you to do laser targeting. Alright, so I'm sure a lot of you guys don't really fully understand targeting and laser targeting, but I'm going to show you guys a really neat trick that you can do, that you can use in your Facebook ads to make sure that you get the best targeting possible for the products you are promoting. Alright, so I've spoken about a website called Pex before. It's a product research website, but for this tutorial, I just want to point out to you the targeting section of the products on Pexda. So even if you're not selling products from Pexda, you can actually use Pexda to understand better targeting. So as you can see here on Pexda, it gives you targeting information for a specific product, but you can actually use this targeting information, reverse engineer it if you may, and use it for whatever product you are selling in your store. And this targeting information, it's detailed targeting, it's laser targeting, and it's very, very effective from Pexda's point of view. So you can copy this for your Shopify dropshipping store, for your Facebook ad campaigns. Alright, so that is how you do laser targeting the easy way. Alright, so next on the list is ad visuals. It's very, very effective and very important. Once again, what this means is that if you have the right visuals for the products you're promoting and you're doing laser targeting, then the persons you're targeting will be more likely to click on your ads, right? You want to have nice images or nice videos if that's what you're using in your ad campaign. Alright, so let's say for example, you're selling some products from AliExpress and you're not really sure where to get really cool product images. A really cool place to check is burst.com. It's free and it's a Shopify related website. So they have really cool images. All of the images are high-res. All you need to do is to enter your email address and you'll have access to the catalog of images here. All right, so in some cases, you may not be able to find the specific image for your product. In that case, you may want to hire someone to help you to enhance your images, someone who is good at photoshopping, for example. So it's very, very important to have really cool visuals. Remember, Instagram is very, very visual. Persons like to look at really cool photos or to watch really high quality videos. It's very important. And this will ultimately help you to get more clicks to your website from the persons you're laser targeting. And this will help you to reduce your cost per sale. All right, so that takes care of number 2. So now on to number 3, which is to use copy that speaks to your audience. All right, so what this means is that you want to make sure that you use really cool buzzwords that speaks to the persons you're laser targeting and also to the benefit they will receive from whatever products you're selling. All right, so let me give you a practical example. Let's say, for example, I was targeting housewives with a kitchen gadget that is likely to help them to cut vegetables more efficiently and faster to make their job a lot easier. In that ad copy, you want to use buzzwords such as effortless, seamless, easy, easily done, simple, smooth, straightforward, uncomplicated, words that will help them to actually feel the benefits, to feel the effects of the benefit they will get from the product that they're likely to buy, the product they're looking at in your ad campaign. So that's what I mean by using ad copy that speaks to your audience. It's very effective once again, and this will ensure that you get the right click from the right persons you're laser targeting. It's very, very important. So let's talk now about number 4, which is to do split testing. I'm sure most of you have possibly heard about split testing before. It's very, very important once again, and it will definitely help you to reduce the cost per sale in your store. So let me explain to you how split testing will do exactly that. All right, so split testing basically means that you're running slight variations of the same ad to the same target audience, right? And you run this for a short period of time, and then you do some analysis to see which one is performing best. All right, so the slight variation could be the ad copy could be different, the images could be different, something about that ad has to be different between the two you're split testing. Then at the end of say a week or so, you will do an analysis to see which one is performing better, and then you would kill the one that's not performing and keep the one that is performing, the one that's giving you the lowest cost per conversions for your Shopify store. All right, so that's how you do split testing. It's very, very important, very effective for reducing the cost per conversions in your Shopify dropshipping business, or for any business for that matter. All right, so this is now the final thing that I want to share with you guys that I do to reduce my cost per conversions from $13 to $4 in my Shopify store, and that is to do remarketing. Very, very important, very effective. All right, so this is where you install your Facebook pixel. Of course, everyone should know at this point how to do Facebook pixel installation and how to set up their Facebook pixel and how to create lookalike audiences and how to do remarketing to persons who have visited your website or taken different actions on your website. It's very effective and possibly one of the most effective ways to reducing the cost per conversions in your Shopify dropshipping store. All right, so what this means is that these persons have likely interacted with your business before, and they are 10 times more likely to make a purchase from your website as opposed to someone seeing your ad for the very first time. So it's very effective to reducing costs per conversions in your Shopify dropshipping store. All right, so those are the 5 things that I do in my Shopify dropshipping store with my Facebook and Instagram ads to ensure that I get the best possible conversion cost for my ad campaigns to make sure that I make as much profit from my Shopify dropshipping business as possible. If you liked this video, if you love the content, drop a like on this video. Really do hope you guys implement all 5 steps in your business right now to make sure that you make the most money from your Shopify dropshipping business. All right, so that is where I'm going to leave this video. If you have any questions, you can always leave them in the comments. I respond to every single comment, and there's a Facebook mastermind group as well in the description, so you guys are welcome to join. It's free, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.